Hey everyone, and welcome back to Van Creations. We're currently working on this T6.1 in the workshop. Yesterday we just wrapped up on the windows yesterday afternoon, and today we're going to be installing Kombi rear seats. So a 2+1 system. Going to be installing all the brackets underneath the van, which is the reinforcement plates, and we're going to be installing the quick release brackets in the floor on it. This one will be a 2+1 with the two windows, slide opening windows that we've installed on the side there, as you can see. So let's get cracking on that today and get these seats in. Okay, that's it for today. We've finished fitting these seats and brackets and the windows, and at the moment these seats here are just temporary seats that the customer's waiting for the new seats to turn up. We've got a double bench seat and a single. It's a 2+1, and we're just waiting for the single to turn up in the matching fabric, and then we'll replace it with this customer, and they've got a matching pair of seats there. As you can see, all the windows are in and installed, and we've got our 2+1s. We've got a double bench seat here on the quick release brackets at the bottom, and That's going to allow you to remove or add these seats whenever is needed, being a works vehicle and a multi-purpose vehicle. Got plenty of room in the back there for all of your tools. And then we got the 2+1. As I say, this single seat here is going to be replaced as soon as this is just a temporary one that we're just lending the customer, and then we're going to be replacing this with a matching one that goes in. And those seats are just quick release brackets there, and we can pop these seats out whenever the customer needs to use them as a works vehicle rather than a Kombi. Guys, thanks very much for joining us once again. Hopefully this video's helped you out in fitting your Kombi seat brackets. Alternatively, we can offer this service for you, so please do contact us at campers@vancreations.co.uk. Please check out our website for further updates and various services that we offer, and please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers, we'll see you next time.